Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using strings in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program to check whether the given word is available in the statement or not. So here are the instructions that you need to follow while writing this Java program. First thing is that you need to first create a string. In that string, okay, in that created string, you need to assign this statement. One sample statement you decide and assign in the program. Now, the second activity that you have to do in this Java program is that you need to intake the word from the user. And intake any word, okay? You ask the user to enter any word. Okay, so while you are running the code or running this Java program, you should ask the user to enter a word, and whatever the word that is entered by the user, that you have to store into another string in your program. Done. Now, whatever the word which is intaken from the user, is it available in the first created string containing the statement or not? You need to find out. For that, you need to write the logic. Okay, as part of the logic, if the inputted word is available in the statement, then print available in the output. If it is not available, print not available in the output. That's what is a Java program you need to write as part of solving this assignment. Now you can pause this video and start writing the Java program. Hoping that you have written the Java program for solving this assignment. Now you can resume this video so that you can see the solution given by me. I'm going to demonstrate the solution of this assignment for you, and where you can cross check your Java program with mine, and if we both are on the same page, then you are good to go. Okay. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse ID here. I'm going to create a new class, guys. Let's say demo E. With main method, I'll create some random name and main method, random class name and main method. Here, as I mentioned, first I'm going to create a string. String, let's say statement I'll write. Statement is equal to I love, some random or sample statement you can write, guys, whatever you wish. I love Java programming is a statement. I love Java programming is a statement. Now, as a second step, what I wanted to intake an input from the user while running the code. So for that, I'll create an object for the scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. And here we have system.in. And we have to import this scanner from java.util package. After that, you write a print statement asking the user to enter a word. Enter any word like this you write. Okay. So now whatever the word that the user will enter by looking at this print statement in the output, right, that I have to capture into the using the scanner. Scanner dot next. Okay, scanner.next. That's it. Scanner.next. So here, whatever the string that is intaken from the user after the user enters in the output, right, that I'm going to store here. String word, I'll say. String word. Okay. Now, now we are done with the intaking of the things from the user, guys. So I can close the object. Scanner object I can close so that message will go off. You see, this warning messages are gone off. Now, I want to check whether this word is available in the statement or not. I just want to check whether this particular word is available in this statement. How to check? For that, I'll write the code like this. If statement dot index of method I'll use here. Okay. Statement dot index of, here I have a word, right? So I'm selecting the string thing, and here I'll just select the word. Okay. I'll just put the word here. Statement dot index of, if that particular word is available, the index position where this particular word is available in this statement will be returned. Otherwise, -1 will be returned. Okay. So if it is not equal to -1, if statement dot index of word is not equal to -1, if -1 is not returned by this index of method, when I am passing the word and checking whether this particular word is available in this given statement or not. Okay. If -1 is not returned, automatically that proves that this particular word is available in this statement. So here I'll write system.out.println available or found, whatever you want to print, you can print available. Okay. Available or found, any word you can use here. Else if in case this index of method is returning -1, so this condition will become false, right? If this is returning -1, -1 not equal to -1 will become false. where we'll go to the else block, and here I'm going to print not available. That's it. Simple, guys. Okay, this is how you need to write the Java program. Now run the code, right click, run as Java application, enter any word it is saying. Okay, we are asking for the user to enter the word while running the code. Now, if I enter something like Java here, Java will be stored into the word, and is this Java available in this statement? I love Java. Yes, it is available. So the index position of this particular Java 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 will be returned. Since 7 is not equal to -1, available will be printed. When I press enter, you see available got printed. Now again, I'll run the code, and here I'll give Python now. I'll give the word as Python. Now, if this particular word is available in the statement, I love Java programming, nowhere found. So -1 will be returned by this indexOf method. So -1 not equal to -1 is false. So I'll go to the else block, and not available should be printed this time. Okay, understood, guys? How to write the Java program. Now you can cross check your Java program with mine and see if we both are on the same page. Then you are good to go, guys. Okay, so that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.